What's up guys, if you're thinking about playing MLB The Show 26 on PC, here's the full situation you need to know. As of now, there is no official PC version of MLB The Show 26. The game is only available on consoles like PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S and Nintendo Switch, so you can't directly download or install the game on a PC. Now you might be wondering about Xbox Cloud Gaming, since that's how some people played previous versions on PC. However, MLB The Show 26 is currently not supported on Xbox Cloud Gaming. Even if you own the game, you won't be able to stream it through the cloud right now. That means there is no cloud gaming option available at the moment to play it on PC. So currently, the only way to play MLB The Show is on a supported console. If cloud support gets added in the future, then playing on a PC through streaming could become possible. But as of now, that option is not available. So overall, there is no official or working way to play MLB The Show 26 on PC right now. Hope this helped clear things up. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.